everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we'll be doing a set of pink Coffin nails. So first thing I'm doing is I'm just wiping off the dust off the nails with an alcohol wipe. After that, we're gonna go in with my favorite color that I always use for my bling, which is the Color Club polish in the color Just My Luck. And y'all, this polish went a very long time. I'm just now having to get a new one, but I've literally been using the same one since I start, like even before I started doing videos, so it's gone a very long time. Once again, this is in the color Just My Luck by Color Club, and I always use this as a base for my bling. And then the other color that I'll be using is by Jovamia in the color MD2, and it is a mood polish, so it goes from this darker pink to a lighter pink. This is the darkest it's gonna get, and then when it's cold it's gonna get a lighter pink. Once again, that was by Jovamia. So as you can see, this set is going to be pretty simple, but it's also really pretty. Once again, this is a mood polish by Jovamia in the color MD2, and they sent me quite a few colors not too long ago. If you haven't checked out that video on their review, be sure to go check that out, and it'll be in the rest of my videos. And it is a gel polish, so you do have to cure it, and to cure it I am using my Melody Susie UV LED light, which I also have a review on if you haven't checked that out. But we're gonna go ahead and do 2 coats of each color, and we're curing each coat for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go back to the first hand and we're gonna do a second coat. As you can see, the first coat did really good as far as coverage, but we always go back and do a second coat. And as you can see, it was a little bit runny, so even after I went back and cleaned around the cuticle area, it still got on the cuticle. So I am gonna go back and have to file that off really gently so I don't mess up the rest of the nail. But once again, this is just the second coat, and then after this we're going to cure this hand for 30 seconds, and we're going to do the same thing to the other hand. Alrighty, so with a hand file, I just went back and filed off that polish that got on the cuticle. So now I'm going in with my Broadway nail art paint in the color white, and I'm just writing out love, and then the O would just be a heart. And then I didn't like how that L turned out, so I am going to come back with a brush with acetone and just wipe off that L and just redo it. As you guys know, once again, the pink is gel polish, so me taking off that L with acetone is not going to do anything to the nail. Alrighty, y'all, so after that I'm gonna go in with my Mia Secret gel resin, which is a glue. I'm also using my SS6 and my SS12 bling and my wax pencil, and I always start around the cuticle area and I work my way around the perimeter of the nail. I alternate from size to size and I just filling the whole nail. Once again, that is my Mia Secret gel resin, and y'all, it works so good. All my bling always stay on with no problem. Once again, that is my SS6 and my SS12. The SS12 being the bigger ones and the 6 the smaller ones. And then I'm just using that wax pencil to pick it up. And we're going to do this over the whole nail. Just remember, if you need to apply more glue, then that's fine. But other than that, just work your way around the nail until it's completely full. Alrighty, and for this index finger, we're just going to do some going down in a straight line. I'm going to be using the same SS6 and SS12. I'm doing one SS12 and then two SS6, and I'm just going to alternate until we get down to the tip. And I'm also going to be using my Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator, which is a spray that helps the glue dry. As you guys know, this glue is a little bit thicker, which means that it's going to take longer to dry, which is why you need the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator. Once again, it literally just freezes the glue into place, which helps the bling stay on super long. And you literally just spray it on after you're done applying your bling. So after that, I'm going to go in and apply my IBD gel top coat. Once again, I'm just filing off that polish that got on the skin. Remember, if polish is too thick, be sure to just apply thin layers, and that's what I should have did, but I didn't see the polish running over to the skin. Once again, this is my IBD gel top coat, and we're going to cure this for 60 seconds. So same thing for the other hand. We're going to go in with our Mia Secret Gel Resin, SS6, SS12, and our wax pencil. And then at the end, we're going to spray in with the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator. Then we're just going to apply the IBD Gel Top Coat and cure them for 60 seconds. Alrighty y'all, so this is the final look. They were really simple, yet they were really pretty, and that color turned out beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and I'll see you guys next time.